Hey guys, welcome to Zee Cynex CCNA series day 2. In this video, we will discuss what is networking cables, LAN card, MAC address, and collision domain. Let's discuss one by one briefly. Introduction to networking cables. In computer networking, cables play a vital role in establishing reliable connections between devices. Ethernet cables, in particular, are widely used to connect various devices in a network for seamless communication. In networking, we use different types of cables, but the most common one is the Ethernet cable. There are mainly two types of Ethernet cables. Let's check them out one by one. A straight-through cable is an Ethernet cable where both ends have the same color sequence. That means the wiring pattern is identical on both sides. We usually use this cable to connect different devices like switch to router, switch to PC, hub to PC, switch to IP phone, or even switch to a smart TV. A crossover cable is an Ethernet cable where the sending and receiving wires are swapped on one side. That's why it's used to connect same type devices directly, like switch to switch, hub to hub, PC to PC, or router to router. Straight-through cable versus crossover cable. This table shows the color codes of Ethernet standards T568A and T568B. If both ends have the same pattern, it's a straight cable. If one side is A and other side is D, it means a crossover cable. And one more thing I want to share with you. In today's modern era of networking technology, most devices come equipped with the Auto MDIX feature, commonly known as Auto MDIX. This allows the devices to automatically detect the type of Ethernet cables connected, whether it's straight through or crossover, and adjust its transmit receive pins accordingly. So there is no need manually choose the cable type anymore. Crossover cables were previously used to connect similar devices like PC to PC or switch to switch. But now, with Auto MDIX being standard, straight-through cables are predominantly used even for those connections. What is a LAN card? A LAN card, local area network card, is a hardware component that allows a computer to connect to a local network. It enables the computer to communicate with other devices on the network, such as servers, printers, and other computers, allowing the sharing of resources and information. A LAN card typically uses Ethernet technology to provide a fast and reliable connection. What is a MAC address? A MAC address, Media Access Control Address, is a unique hardware address assigned to every network device. It has 6 pairs of hexadecimal numbers. For example, you can see in the picture, there are 6 pairs of hexadecimal numbers. The first 3 pairs show who made the device, and the last 3 makes it unique. We use MAC addresses inside local networks, so the switches can send data to the right device. In short, it's how devices recognize each other at the hardware level. What are network devices? Networking devices are essential for connecting multiple devices in a network. Among them, hubs, switches, and routers play critical roles, each designed for specific functions. Let's discuss these devices one by one in next slide. A hub. A hub is the simplest networking device that works on layer 1, the physical layer. It sends data to all connected devices, not just the target one. It's cheap and easy to use, but it's also inefficient and can cause network congestions. Hubs are okay for small or test networks. Here are some types of hubs. Let's discuss one by one. Passive hub, a basic device with no power source, typically used for small networks. Active hub, a hub with its own power source, capable of amplifying or regenerating signals. Intelligent hubs, advanced hubs that include management features like monitoring and traffic controls. Here you can see quick comparison between a normal hub and an intelligent hub. A regular hub simply broadcasts data to all devices, while an intelligent hub can actually monitor, analyze, and manage network traffic. This table helps you to understand how intelligent hubs are more advanced and efficient compared to basic one. A switch is an intelligent device that works on layer 2 of the OSI model. It sends data only to the right device using MAC addresses. That's why it's faster and more efficient than a hub. Switches reduce traffic, increase speed, and support full duplex communication. Layer 3 switches are more advanced. They can also route data between networks, just like a router. Here are some types of switches you can see. Catalyst 100 series. This switch is designed for small businesses and branch offices. It's easy to use, reliable, and perfect for basic LAN setups. Cisco Catalyst 2960X series. This model is built for medium-sized networks. It offers higher performance, energy efficiency, and advanced security features. Cisco Catalyst 9300 series. This is enterprise level switch, powerful, secure, and built for modern networks with high-speed connectivity and advanced management. And now discuss what is a router. A router works at layer 3 of the OSI model. It connects different networks and sends data using IP addresses. Router helps devices in different networks communicate and connect LANs to the internet. They offer better security and wide area connectivity, but are more complex to set up than switches or hubs. Here are some types of routers we mostly use in our daily life networking. Cisco 800 series, perfect for small offices and remote setups. Compact, reliable, and easy to manage, delivering stable connectivity for everyday use. Cisco 9000 series, designed for growing businesses, offers faster performance, multiple WAN options, and enhanced security for smooth network operations. Cisco 4000 series, a powerful enterprise router built for large networks, providing high-speed, scalability, and advanced security for modern businesses environments. Here you can see the comparison between hub, switch, and router. A hub works on a physical layer, layer 1, and simply broadcasts data to all devices, which makes it less efficient and suitable for small, simple networks. A switch, on the other hand, operates at the data link layer, layer 2, and sends data only to the intended device using MAC addresses. It's faster, smarter, and ideal for modern LANs. Finally, the router. Router works at the network layer, layer 3, connecting different networks using IP addresses. This is what allows communication between LANs and the internet. So, in short, the hub is basic, the switch is efficient, and the router is intelligent in managing network communication. What is a client domain? A client domain is an area in a network where data packets can collide if two devices send data at the same time. In the hub-based network, all devices share the same client domain, meaning data collisions are common and performance is low. But in switch-based network, each port has its own collision domain, preventing collisions and improving speeds and efficiency. A hub always broadcasts data. It's a one-to-many communication, so all devices share the same collision domain. But a switch is smarter. It communicates one-to-one using MAC addresses and can also handle many-to-many communication at the same time without collisions. For example, on the hub networks, if one PC sends data to another, all PCs hear it. But on the switch, only the target PC receives the data. The rest stay quiet. I am sure you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.